Is this the new era na ba of you? Ano yung mga aabangan sa'yo ngayon?
Aabangan, the biggest change in my life right now is, my wife and I co-own a talent management, digital marketing agency called Nima. And kung mentor ako sa The Clash as a judge, and still, thank God, I have now a responsibility also to do my best to raise new talents. And it's a big responsibility, and I'm so thankful for my wife. She's amazing. She's so smart and driven as well. And the whole team ng Nima na talaga. We're doing our best. As a startup, as a small company in this big entertainment world.
What particular talents are you looking for?
Right now, we have a few already, pero our biggest success right now is our Lumpia Queen, Abby Marquez. And talagang she's just winning awards all over the place. And she's such a gentle soul as well, and very, very talented. So, on the other hand naman, sa The Clash, I'm just so excited to meet the new contestants again and to do my best to share the realities of the music industry.
Any particular traits sa mga performers or singers na you would like to manage?
Any particular
traits?
Trait? Sana sa simula mabait. And then willing to work with you, willing to believe in you as well. Na some days there will be good days, some days there will be hard days. Pero if you're really hardworking, clear head, and even if it's hard sometimes, meron tayong maabot together. And we always hope for the best for every outcome, whatever that best is to you.
And then once in a while, nakikita kita na nag-a-act din. You've done a series recently lang sa Netflix, You Have to Share. So how was it? Ano yung mga reason why are you selected project for special acting?
Marami kasing singing projects for now. And maraming out of town as well. So it depends May seasons na singing season, acting season. I can't wait to go back sa musical theater again because I missed that. So if there's a role din na bagay, I would love to do one again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, sa May 12 po, pinapangako ko.
May question lang. Siguro natanong na before, why Kapuso? Why loyal sa Kapuso?
Man, for 12 years, I have been given so many opportunities here and abroad dito sa GMA. So many concerts, so much love also. And I love also to work with my bosses, the teams, the artists as well, na gaan and ang sarap nila katrabaho. Para kaming team talaga, teammates talaga kami together. And we're always looking for the best ways to build each other up.
Your message naman po for your fans. Since 20 years now.
Yes! Thank you, fans! Thank you, fans! Andito pa rin kayo para sa akin at andito pa rin po ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal.
Thank you! May plan po ba na magkaroon ng bagong single or yung...
Meron plan ng bagong single, abangan. Minimix na, hindi pa pwedeng i-announce. Kakalabas lang din ang single ko. It's called Vertigo. And talagang patuloy pa rin ang pag-produce at pag-release ng kanta.
May nagbago po ba sa genre ninyo pagdating sa music 20 years ago?
Ballad pa rin naman talaga ang core ko. Parang nagugulat yung tao kapag nagra-rock and roll or nag-hip hop ako Pero minsan, syempre, mag-experiment ako. Minsan gusto ko mag-release ng maiba naman. Pero ang core ko pa rin po talaga ballad. Love songs pa rin.
Pero pagdating sa music, may nagbago po ba sa pananaw ninyo 20 years ago?
Oh, ang dami. Siyempre, digital na ngayon. Anyone can write and produce and release a song just using their phone and a credit card. So, mas maraming ways to be discovered at mas maraming kalaban din. So, kailangan talagang find your niche, find what's unique about you.
paano nyo po nasasabayan yung ganung pagbabago ngayon? And
Yeah, kung nasa digital sila, nasa digital din tayo. Kung magti-TikTok sila, magti-TikTok tayo. Kung merong ibang trend, sasabayan natin yung trend. Pero wag mawala yung uniqueness, genuineness. Hindi dapat mawala yung kung sino talaga ako. Diba, kung sasayaw ako ng gento, diba, maybe konti lang, ayun, okay lang, para lang masabi. So, kasi para pag binuo ko yun, parang wow, hindi naman talaga ako ganong dancer. Pero parang, but I will try, you know.
thank you.
Even for example, like in this era na social media, na parang so hard to be a celebrity.
Mhm.
Diba? How do you view it now na parang social media is so big?
Mhm.
It's like everybody has their eye on you online.
Mhm.
How do you view, like, for example, negative comments and bashing and canceling and all?
Nung una, naapektuhan talaga ako kasi binabasa ko. Ngayon, hindi ko na binabasa or binablock ko na lang. Kasi hindi siya nakakatulong sa akin or nakakadagdag. Unless, merong constructive criticism. Kasi malalaman mo lang kung nonsense. Yung mga nonsense, block. Pero kung meron doon na message na, ay, tama siya. Then dapat pakinggan ko. Kasi that's called feedback. Good feedback. There's good, truthful feedback, which is very important sa ating lahat. And then merong basher. So pag feedback, I have to take it, I have to learn from it, bagsak ang pride, and do my best to be better. Because there will be times na I will have to be better. I will not always be on my A game. Pero do I have to adapt to social media? Yes, kasi that's where everyone is also. But you know what's cool also is, it's cool na sa GMA, meron tayong traditional, which is on TV, and then meron din silang digital.
Yes.
And then, kapag gine-guest namin ng mga digital artists sa AOS, they're so happy also that they're on TV.
Yes.
So, I believe that it has to be working hand in hand. Wag natin sabihin na radio is dead, TV is dead, print is dead. It's still there, there's still a niche. Everything is important. Let's work together. Collaborate tayo, tulungan tayo. Let's not kill each other's industries. Kasi laging, parang nabasa ko nga just the other day sa Japan, yung handicrafts is still a big business. So meron talagang market for physical. May nabasa ko article, bumabalik ang tape. May nabasa ko article, bumabalik ang bike. May vinyl is always there. So, let's help each other.
Any plans of concert here or abroad?
Merong plans, concert here and abroad. Pero hindi ko pa masabi kasi... Sure. Yeah. Oh, meron plans, pero hanggat hindi pa po lumalabas yung poster, hindi ko pa ma-announce. Parang tayo mademanda. Pero pag napirmahan na. Teleseries, none of yet, kasi focus po kami sa The Clash, saka All Out Sundays.
After being in the industry for so long, do you have any collabs pa na future collabs that people want to work with by having worked with
Meron.
maybe the younger?
Definitely. So that's also a goal, to collab with any kind of artist here or abroad still. Kasi we introduce each other's markets to each other. Kaya maganda lagi na may collaborations.
May names ka ba in mind?
I have names. Hindi ko lang masabi again kasi hindi pa namin ma-release. Ay! Natawagan na lang namin kayo ulit.
Sige.
Message ko na lang.
Exciting.
Yeah. It's actually pretty exciting. This next one.
Hello, I'm from One in Manila.
Yes,
I
kamusta?
prepared some question, but throughout your time as a musician, what's been a significant challenge you have to navigate, and what's your unwavering source of your motivation?
Yon, sinabi mo lahat. A significant challenge is pabago-bago ang trends sa industry. Technical, creative, pabago-bago. And how to adapt to that is yun din. Continually challenge yourself and be moldable, be flexible without losing yourself or your core.
And then, what are you most excited for fans to experience with this new chapter in your career?
More music, more creating music, creating new content. Yun, parang dumadami na yung content ko recently because nga of our company. Kasi kailangan talaga nasa lahat ka ng platforms.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Last question.
Last question.
Yeah.
I'm sure na very huge decision to sa inyong life ngayon. Pero paano po nakatulong si Mr. and Mrs. Bautista at pati po inyong wife na si Miss Hannah Cruz?
Exactly.
Paano ka po niya na-support, na-motivate, in making this huge decision?
The signing?
Yes, and in your life in general.
The company?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sige. I will try to figure it out. To sign with GMA, again, is an easy decision. Very easy. Kasi I love it. They love what we're doing together, and I've had so many good connections and good friends and good moments with GMA, so it's a very easy decision. I'm so excited for the next few years again. I'm grateful to them, so grateful. And with my wife also, na talagang such a good partner, sarap katrabaho, ang daming good ideas, ang daming love to push and love to also create together. So talagang such a good partnership to have, and I highly encourage it.